Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to receive a receipt when your parking session has been paid for on the EasyPark application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on the settings button, which is the second option. Tap on notifications, which is the second section at the top of the screen, and then scroll down until you find the receipts section. So here you can receive a receipt once your parking session has been paid for. Here you can see the price of the email that you receive each time. So click on this button and then you should type in your email address into this search bar, and after that click on the button continue, and then it will be set, so you will receive a receipt via email every time your parking session has been paid for. But you should also consider that it has a price that's indicated in your own set currency. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.